So, Legal Aid South Africa today have told us that all 5 accused on the Senzo Meyiwa trial are guilty of taking the life of Senzo Meyiwa. They are saying these are the right people. They are saying the state has the right people. Now, you said, but I never heard them saying that, Bongs. Well, you heard them. The thing is, they used some sort of English words to say it without saying it. Let me tell you what they said. Today, in the morning, in the mouth of Advocate Mnisi, he tells us that Legal Aid South Africa said they will not be financing the Section 174 because, listen to this, this is where you get the message. This is where the message is. Because Legal Aid Board do not see any prospect of success if the defense were to apply for Section 174. So there is no prospect of success if these people apply for Section 174. Do you get it? So, a Legal Aid Board have said it. I know a lot of people are saying quite a number of things, and I'm going to tell you what other people are saying. But just dissect this aspect. So, Legal Aid Board believes that all that the state presented is strong case against accused number 1, Muzika Ukhulelwa B, 2, Bongantans, 3, Ncube, 4, Maphisa, 5, Fisokuhle Ntuli. They are saying the case that has been presented, these are the right people. So, hey, there are a lot of questions that one can ask. I'm not going to ask those questions, at least right now. But, hey, is it safe to be financed by the state? Because, I mean, you know, when you look at it now, and the Legal Aid Board says, no, they are guilty. Which version do they believe? Contractual killing or robbery gone wrong? Yeah. Other people have got their own opinion about it, but I sit here and I said to myself, I don't know. But let me tell you this. What I do know is the fact that you need to do this. If you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To like the video, it is free of charge. You can also join. Click the join button. Become a member of this YouTube channel. You will pay from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also make use of the Super Thanks button. You can donate from as little as 20 Rand a month as we proceed. Okay, now, having said or done that, tell me something. It's a sad day for me. Like, honestly, I looked at a lot of things that have happened on the Senzo Meyiwa trial. I won't lie, guys. First of all, in my mind, I'm already saying that, you know what, I think the reality kicks in now that, you know, these accused are going to be sentenced. It's at the end of the story. These people are going to be sentenced. It's that pain. Perhaps you notice that I'm not well. It's because, you know, somehow today something clicked in that, you know what, these people are going to be sentenced here. That's one. But other people are also saying that it is good so that it allows the defense to bring the likes of Makobo, who will come and expose the state's case, the likes of Absalom Zungu, who will come and expose the state case. While I may agree with that, but you know what, guys? There's one aspect that seems to kill me or destroy me whenever I want to think about things like that. You know, I think of Ntanzi and I always say to myself, if I was in the shoes of Ntanzi, I would want to be out as soon as possible. So that's how I feel for Ntanzi. You know, the pain that I feel today is the fact that he cannot afford to pay for section 174, but at least the lawyer committed. It's so sad. It's so sad. It's so sad. That's when you realize that, guys, you know, being poor is a curse. Being poor is a curse, and I don't want to die poor. Because in this case, I mean, you are in the hands of the very same state that is supposed to be providing you with those services. It hurts, yes, it hurts. That's when you realize, you know, in one of the videos that I released not long ago, towards probably start from 15 minutes going upward, I was speaking about the fact that how independent is this so-called independent institution. Really, guys, there's nothing called independent institution. There's no such a thing. It's a lie. That is, they create such when they want to make money. Like, honestly, whether you say, hey, this one is independent from that one, it's just a word. The reality is that the thing is not independent. Today you just saw that legal aid agrees with them. So, okay, fine. People are happy, it's okay. And you can celebrate on my comment section below. Yeah, we told you, it's fine, you can do it. But it won't change my stand. It will not change my belief. I still say, I don't believe that we have the right people. And I'm still of the view that somehow, somewhere, the right people are being protected. We are not even sure if the so-called mastermind, after the sentencing of these people, because, I mean, we can tell where it's going. We are not even sure if that is going to happen. There is this thing where we might not see the mastermind being sentenced. Yeah, I'm telling you. The chances, the prospect of us seeing that are very slim. But be it as it may, we are here today. As we are here, we are to experience this case for what it is. In the interest of that, I would love to leave you with this question. Call it a question of the day. Which option will you opt for? Is it 174 or the decline of 174, then bring in so to allow the witnesses? If you do so, what interest does it serve to have this matter delayed to that extent? What interest does it serve? Maybe one will have to understand, because let's say if we are fighting for justice, or if you go into a war, for instance, the longer it takes to fight the war, the most likely your resources can get or can get depleted. So you don't want to stay too much in a war. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. I'm saying you don't want to say, let's have these witnesses. If there is an easiest way or out of the situation, you opt for that. Whether the likes of Makubo, what would have destroyed the state case, but if there is an easier way, you take that. Because a lot of us, we reason like this because we're outside. We still have the freedom. And I know a lot of people will be so stubborn to tell you, no, this, guys, it's easier for you and I to say that. But put yourself in the hands of, or in the shoes of Funtan, for instance. He wants the easiest way out, but the reason it hurts is because, you know, I listened to what the accused did not say, but they said something and not say something at the same time. That's where I can tell you now, and I'm telling you for free, the accused have gotten to a point where they are saying, sentence us, it's fine. No matter what, it's fine. Just, it's okay. They've gotten to that point. Whilst some of them, they are saying, okay, we can still do this, but they're just there to say, sentence us, it's fine. It's another conundrum, but I would like to leave it here with the hope that we shall see each other, dissect this. Legal Aid Board said these are the right people. If they were to do Section 174, they will never succeed.